Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into something that's about to take street performance to the next level, the 2025 Ford Street Rod. This isn't just any car, it's a blend of classic muscle and modern technology designed to thrill. From its aggressive looks to its insane performance, the Ford Street Rod is a ride you won't forget. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Ford Street Rod combines everything we love about classic muscle cars with a futuristic twist. The sleek, aerodynamic body features bold curves and sharp edges that give it an unmistakable presence on the road. Its iconic front grille and powerful stance demand attention, while the bold, blacked-out rims and aggressive wheel arch scream performance. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking it for a spin on the open road, the Street Rod is bound to turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, Ford doesn't hold back. The 2025 Street Rod is equipped with a turbocharged V8 engine that delivers jaw-dropping horsepower. This isn't just about speed, it's about power and control. From the moment you hit the gas, you'll feel the rush as you go from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds. The raw power and precise handling make this car feel like it's glued to the road. Whether you're hitting the track or just taking it for a spin, this beast is built to perform, delivering everything you'd expect from a Ford performance machine and more. Inside, Ford stays true to its legacy of craftsmanship and innovation. The cabin is a perfect mix of luxury and technology. Leather-trimmed seats, a digital dashboard, and cutting-edge tech features provide an experience that's as comfortable as it is thrilling. The customizable drive modes let you adjust everything from suspension to exhaust tone, ensuring that whether you're looking for a smooth cruise or an all-out performance machine, the 2025 Ford Street Rod can handle it all. The intuitive interface makes controlling the car's features effortless, putting you in complete control. Now, let's talk about that sound. The exhaust on this car is something truly special. The deep rumble of the V8 engine is music to the ears, and the aggressive exhaust note only adds to the excitement. It's a sound that announces the car's arrival long before you've even hit the gas. Every time you press down on the accelerator, the Street Rod's exhaust lets out a roar that can't be ignored. So, is the 2025 Ford Street Rod worth all the hype? Without a doubt. It combines the best of both worlds, classic muscle with cutting-edge technology. The performance, design, and sound are everything we've come to expect from Ford, and more. If you're a fan of American muscle, or just love a car that packs power and style, the Ford Street Rod is a must-have. Let me know what you think about this legendary machine in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. I'll catch you in the next one.